Good afternoon. Welcome back to Turbo's Toy Box, where today I'm playing with the neighbor's 2013 Mercedes C300 sedan. So the heater fan was not working at all, and she was like, "Hey, can you maybe take a look at it and see what's going on?" And reluctantly, I was like, "Yeah, okay." I'm notoriously not a big German car guy. I've worked on a couple and that was plenty. But it's winter time. We're trying to help her out. So I anyway did some testing. These things are crazy. Like the battery is on the up against the firewall on the passenger side, kind of right in front of where your blower motor should be. Actually, it's like right there on these. So was able to pull the battery out, get some other stuff out of the way, reach down in there, and the fan itself is actually seized up. And so I was able to lubricate, broke it free, lubricated it, and it's been working. And she's been having to hit the dash to get her through the last couple of days while we ordered a new blower motor. So the Mercedes dealer wanted an absurd amount of money. I forget what she said, but something like $900 to do this thing. I found a blower motor on eBay for like $50. There was cheaper ones, but they were further away, right? Like you could import one. I'm sure I probably got the same imported one. I just already paid the duties on it, right? So for $50, whatever. We had it in a couple of days. So anyway, I'm going to change that out real quick. We're going to see if we can get some heat blowing on that inside of that windshield for her, and hopefully this will take care of her. Okay, so on the knee panel underneath the glove box here, there's some Torx screws holding that up, and we're going to get those undone out of the way and then see what's next. All right, so the plastic panel was held in with 3 of the T20 Torx, 1, 2, and 3, and I unplugged the light. However, you do need to pull back this piece of carpet before you're able to pull that plastic out of there. It was the carpet was kind of locking in the back side of it. So now that that's out of there, we have access to the bottom of the blower motor right here. So we're gonna get this thing unscrewed and see if we can swap it out. Okay, so the blower fan sits up in there like this. So there was another T20 screw Torx right there, and then there's this little tab. So once you remove that screw, you just pull down on this tab, which is against the A-pillar right here. So you just reach your finger up in there, pull down on that tab, and then you twist the motor that direction. I guess if you were under there, it'd be clockwise looking up at it, but you turn the motor clockwise and then it pulls down out of there. So yeah, just one plug. So we'll snap the new motor in and plug it in and test her out. Boom, we got heat. You can hear it works on all the speeds. Nice. So if your heater fan is not working at all, could be that. A lot of times if your heater fan is only working on certain speeds, that's actually a blower motor resistor typically. Could also be the controls, but more often than not, it's the blower motor resistor. On most cars, right? Every car is different, but for the most part, that's kind of the norm. So anyway, thanks for watching.